Okay, so in this tutorial, we're gonna go over deleting history for your 3D models. So history is when whatever you made, Maya will store whatever you did in here in the channel box under the shapes and inputs, meaning what was done to it. So for example, when we made the poly extrusion, this part right here, that's this information. See, remember the offset 0.05, the smoothing angle 15, and yeah. So and also the other poly extrude, this one. So the first one was poly extrude phase 7, the other one was poly extrude phase 1. So it stores everything that we did, all the information. But the problem is that oftentimes Maya will just wig out. It'll go bonkers sometimes, and some weird things will happen that it'll create a fatal flaw. It can end up creating a fatal flaw in your file and just corrupt everything. A worst case scenario. So common practice and good practice is to delete history after everything is done. But once you delete the history, meaning to all of this is going to get wiped out, you cannot go back and make additional changes. So once we're fully sure that the changes we made is good, then we go up to modify and delete history. Wait. Or no, edit, delete by type. So again, that's edit, delete by type, history, or Alt-Shift-D. I'd rather just go manually and delete the history. So if you look at the channel box, okay, I'm gonna delete the history and everything is gone. Everything is cleaned out. Okay, next one, all that history, we could just hit G, not Shift G or Control G, just the G key, which again I said is to do this previous command again, and it's gone. Next one. Ooh, what just happened? Oh, I hit it. I hit the H key by accident. Hit the G key and it's gone. G key, it is gone. G, and it's gone. And G, and it's gone. So it's all cleared out, perfectly clean. Next one, I also want to delete my history on this. And as I mentioned before, like these bevels that we made, that's over here, poly bevel. See that? Hold on. See? See, 0.5. See? It still remembers. So let me just undo everything back to what it was, and I'm gonna delete history. Again, that is edit, delete by type, history, and it's gone. Grab this one, hit the G as in George, gone, and G, and it is gone. And all our history is gone. Okay, last thing we want to do is I want to group my my blocks together. Okay, so okay, good. We froze all our transformations, And remember how to group. We're going to go Control G. Again, that is Control G, or was it Command G for the Mac? It's one of those for the Mac. So like I said before, it's at the bottom left corner. Alright, so Control G for the PC, and we have a new group, and it's grouped, and our pivot point is just right in the middle and the bottom. I'm gonna name this Adidas Stripes. Okay. I hit the space bar, just to check. Yeah, it's right in the bottom. And in between the middle. Perfect. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial.